After the recent dump we've seen on PepeCoin after the Binance lawsuit, PepeCoin just rallied almost 23% here, 25%, as well as BTC now bouncing off this support here, and now we're looking at a 5% pump on BTC, which is huge here after the Binance SEC lawsuit. Bitcoin has just rallied back to the pre-SEC lawsuit. Now BTC is looking strong. We are so back now. BTC showed some real strength here, as well as today the SEC doesn't seem to have enough, and today they charged Coinbase with operating its crypto asset trading platform as an unregistered national securities exchange, broker and clearing agency, and failing to register the offer and sale of its crypto assets staking as service program. So they seem to be against staking as they did with Kraken, and Kraken had to pay a fine and everything went back to normal for them. And now Coinbase seems to be having the same issue right now, as we have also Brian Armstrong, the CEO of Coinbase, here explaining what's happening regarding the SEC complaint against us. Today we're proud to represent the industry in court to finally get some clarity around crypto rules. Now Coinbase is going against the SEC here in court, so they want to fight this back. As for Binance, they're still on standby here. So basically the pump here on BTC and the whole crypto space on PepeCoin here happened after investors saw that the SEC went against Coinbase as well. So this basically removed the rumors that Binance was doing shady things behind the closed doors in their exchange. After they went after Coinbase, now they just show that they are just after crypto and nothing is wrong with Binance, and then the market just faded out all this dump caused by the SEC going against Binance. And it seems like now the confidence is back into the market. We're seeing strong PepeCoin here, as we've seen in my previous video here. I wanted to update you guys as soon as I see strength on PepeCoin here. Now so far we're seeing strength now on PepeCoin, and my plan here for PepeCoin is to wait for this move, as I did not take any longs here on PepeCoin. Now I'm waiting for any retracement here, and this would be a major pump signal here on PepeCoin, as well as this pump here signals that PepeCoin is one of the strongest coins. We still have a community going here for PepeCoin, because as soon as we've seen BTC rallying, PepeCoin was one of the top gainers on today's rally, and that shows that PepeCoin is strong and makes a great pick for the next bull market to keep DCAing into, as I'm doing right now. Not financial advice. As for the SEC concerns with Coinbase, now it seems that they are saying you simply can't ignore the rules because you don't like them or because you prefer different ones. The consequences for the investing public are far too great. While Coinbase calculated decisions might have allowed it to earn billions, it's done so at the expense of investors by depriving them of the protection to which they're entitled. It seems that the SEC is claiming that they care about the investors and they are going against cryptocurrencies. And here we have a tweet response from Mark Cuban about what the SEC is doing right now to the crypto space, as he says, quote, "What about the 18k or so stocks trading OTC pink sheets that are not traded on exchanges? What percent do you think are real companies?" Not comparing these to crypto, just looking at the approach the SEC takes to protect investors of many of these registered stocks. Are they doing enough? As it seems now the whole space is wondering why the SEC is only going after cryptocurrencies and they are not looking at protecting investors from other assets, from other risk assets. But to us here, we're playing around with cryptocurrencies. We want to make some money in the long term. We want to invest on the right cryptocurrencies. The SEC going after cryptocurrencies is just noise. Usually the market bottoms when there is a max fear in the market, and we're seeing it here now. I'm pretty surprised now. BTC showing some strength, and now we're looking at this channel on BTC. Usually these downward channels lead to breakout to the upside here. We're gonna keep monitoring this. I'm gonna keep you updated daily here, guys, so make sure to subscribe. Now we want to keep an eye on BTC here, as the whole space now is looking at BTC. And as I've been saying in the previous video here, if we see some strength from BTC, we are gonna look at some major strength here on PepeCoin, and exactly that's happened now. We're looking at PepeCoin here, strong, holding support. We're confirming now that this is now a support on PepeCoin, and the support now is getting stronger and stronger, showing us that buyers are interested to buying PepeCoin around these levels here. Now we want to wait for any retracement here. I'm gonna keep you guys updated. We want to take a long here. We want to make some good profits here on PepeCoin, as well as I've been saying before, I'm DCAing on PepeCoin on these dips here. Not financial advice, so make sure to subscribe. I'll keep you updated daily on what's going on with BTC, with PepeCoin, and I'll see you on the next video.